Hey there, friend. I can't wait to draw with you today. This time, I've got this beautiful whale that we can draw together. So let's get started. First, let's open to a fresh new page in my special sketchbook. I'll choose a crayon. Okay, and the first thing we'll do, this first part is the trickiest, but we'll take it slow and we'll do it together. So we're going to start near the base of his tail, and we're going to draw his whole body. So I'm going to start right here, a little curve down, then a big, big curve up, like you're drawing a mountain. Then down and back. Here's his tummy. Then come up right next to where we started. It's looking like a whale already, isn't it? Let's make it look even more like a whale. So right here from where we started, let's add a curved line up to start his tail. Then we'll bring it back to center. Another curved line out. And right back to meet the end of that line. And now our whale has a tail. Okay, now let's give him a big whale smile. And his eye. Little eyebrow. Okay, now let's give him some flippers. So right here on his side, I'm going to draw a little curve down and back up, sort of a curved V shape. And then the same thing over here. So now he has two flippers. Okay, and right from the edge of his mouth, let's add a curved line that goes down to meet his flipper and continues back behind it, and we'll pick it up right again here and let it meet this line again. So this will be the white on his tummy. And now let's add some lines for a little more detail. I like to do 1, 2, 3 lines. There we go, gives our whale's tummy a little more shape. Now let's give him a blowhole. Little dark oval right on top of his head so he can breathe. And let's add some spray. I'm going to add a water drop shape and another water drop shape and one more at the very top. And there it is! There's our beautiful whale! Thank you so much for joining me today, and until next time, remember to take your creativity everywhere.